Mason, can you tell me what his back tire looks like when he comes down? Okay, you're gonna put your right tire up here. So keep coming. Come as far this way as you can, and then you're gonna turn into the hole. Now cut it. Cut it. Oh, hold on. Back up. I'd like to see you 6 inches more that way. Back up a little bit. A little bit more that way. Try it again. Okay, I guess we're sold. Hard this way and just come slowly. Really slow. You're right on the edge. Just walk. Maybe put it in. Yeah, again, as slow as you can.
And you don't have rock sliders, so go real slow down.
Okay.
If you want to, we can always drag you back up.
Yeah.
But very slowly.
You're coming off. Be ready to let it roll.
Yeah, if you let
Okay.
it roll, if you feel like it's gonna flop,
hard this way.
let it roll. Let it go.
There you go.
Nice.
No problem. Okay, straighten. Wow. Wow. Okay, come this way and turn driver. Turn driver. Slow, slow, hard. Okay. Now, just come as slow as you can. Tell him when the back tire is going to come. Yes. Yes.
Turn driver.
Yep, you need a little driver. Okay, come ahead. Come ahead. Okay, slow. Slow. Okay. Turn hard left. Okay, come. Okay, you're going to test that bumper out. Slow. Slow. Oh, way to go. Way to go. Woo! You're clear up front. Okay, slow, slow. You cleared it. Wow. That was sick. Your shocks didn't bottom out. Nicely done. Wow. Yeah.